I run a 3D printing service, and like most people, I've had weeks where it feels like you are doing stuff, but nothing comes back. That day, I was about to record a video. Then my phone rang. Hello, I found your number on TikTok. I want to print a model. Quick detail. I haven't posted on TikTok for more than 6 months. In my head, that platform was inactive. Oh, my page, for sure, in all platforms is pretty active. Apparently, not inactive enough. And that's the first lesson right here. Sometimes the effort doesn't pay you today, but it pays you months later when you forgot you even planted the seeds. So I asked him to send reference or photos so I could understand the task. He said, I already have a finished model. Wow, that's rare and it's beautiful. Like someone who invites you with words, let's just watch a movie, the model is perfect and ready to pressing start button. After filming, I got home, opened the slicer, loaded the model. It was messy, like huge, really. I rotated it, rearranged it on the build plate, hunting for the best orientation. Strands versus supports, same chess game every time. Then I sliced it, sent it to printer. Print time 19 hours. Technically 18 and a half, but come on, that's 19. Morning check and it looked like a jungle. A full forest of support trees. Then the top part came off and the model looked finished. Almost. Support removal took about 20 minutes. And that part always feels funny but weird. You spent 19 hours printing and then you're like, okay, cool, now let me go wrestle plastic trees for 20 minutes. And here's the point I want you really to hear. Making a video doesn't equal a new customer, but not making video equals almost no new customers. Sure, maybe a neighbor, maybe a friend, maybe some from family, but is it enough for you? I packed the model, sent him a quick video message like, here it is, ready. We met, I handed him the print, he was happy, took it, got on his ride, and left. And then a few minutes later, he realized he made a mistake in modeling. So yeah, you can get an order unexpectedly. It doesn't mean everything will be perfect. Not everything in your locus of control. If you're thinking about starting 3D printing, I have a video where I break down 5 reasons to start. Watch it so you don't waste money on the wrong expectation.